but I don't want to do it, excuse my language, like half-asses. So I decided that okay, I started my career first 5 years as a software engineer, and then the next 5 years I was a venture capitalist, investors, startup guy. Now maybe it's a good time for me to go into blockchain, to pivot to something new. And so I made the switch, and towards the end of 2021, earlier this year, I stepped down from my full-time role at Access Ventures. Before I was a manager for Vietnam for Access, and now I still serve on the team as an entrepreneur in resident, but I spend most of my time doing Spaceship, which is a crypto media community building. This one. I don't know, I'm going to get into it in a minute. And then the other thing is I co-founded this company called Nebulous with 3 of my friends. So so Spaceship is a crypto media agency that I'm helping build with some other people. So 2 co-founders, I'm friend one of them. So he brought me on as a strategist to help them restructure the company, grow the business. But as Nebulous is something that I'm very passionate about. So basically Nebulous is 4 of us. We've been friends for forever, like over 10 years now. And we have a shared passion for the future of blockchain technology. So we founded Nebulous with the idea that we want to build as a blockchain development / investment firm to invest and to develop products in spaces, in areas that we like, we believe in. And so Astro Heroes, this shirt right here, is actually our first product. It started by our CTO, Kenny. So he's the main guy in this Astro Heroes thing. So NFT collections, a metaverse project that's built on the Terra protocol, one of the major protocols in the blockchain space right now. And so Kenny wanted to build a metaverse, and he started by building a Times Square version on the metaverse. Right. And so he launched the NFT collection so that people can buy the NFT and get into the metaverse as the first inhabitants of that metaverse.
Interesting.
Yeah. So Kenny did a NFT mint, so like a launching over the weekend in Hanoi, and so we all flew out and support him. So in total, Astro Heroes raised about $500,000 from that mint, and with that money, they're going to use it to scale. And so so that was spun out of a year of the 4 of us like working together on Nebulous and trying all different ideas, and this is the first success. So very, very proud of us, very proud of Kenny and his team as well for never stop trying, never stop.
Congratulations.
Thank you. So Kenny. Hopefully you see this video later and see that I did an honorary mention for him.